It's time to open up day 4 of Spellbinders 13 Days of Craftoween. If you haven't seen my other 13 Days of Craftoween videos, I am going to put them all in a playlist so you can find them all easily and in one place. But basically, the Spellbinders 13 Days of Craftoween is a box full of 13 different packets of dies. Each day is a different die set. There's also a stamp set and a pack of sequins. Today's day is super cute and I'm so excited for it. It's a little ghost holding a slice of pizza, and there's a little cat as well as a jack-o'-lantern. Now, I don't know if you've seen other Halloween videos from me before, but I, for one, love pink ghosts. I think they're just so adorable. So I have 2 different colors of Spellbinders pink cardstock because the ghosts have 2 different layers. It kind of gives that dimensional effect and the flowy effect of the ghost's bottom there. The jack-o'-lantern is also 2 layers, so I'm just using a little bit of liquid adhesive from the My Sweet Petunia Precision Glue Press to adhere all those little bits and pieces together. There is a little pennant banner that says Boo, and that comes in 2 layers as well. There's the pizza slice, which comes in 3 layers because there's the crust, there's the sauce, and there's the cheese, of course. And actually, the sauce kind of looks like little pepperoni slices as well. So just so adorable. I love how the cheese is kind of melting over the side. These dies are just created so brilliantly. Even such a tiny little detail like the melting cheese makes a huge difference when you put it all together in a card. It looks so special. So I added a little dot of adhesive on one of the ghost's arms and placed the pizza on the arm. Next, I have a white piece of cardstock that I cut out with an arch die. I will link to those as well. This is a different arch than I've been using before. I love these arches to house images and sentiments, and I'm stamping the sentiment from the stamp set that says, "I want a pizza you." So cute. And then I'll just add the banner at the top. Now, that ink that I use to stamp with is the VersaFine Black Onyx ink. It's a pigment ink, so just be careful you don't smear it until it's fully dry. And then I'll pop up the ghost on some foam adhesive. Same with the jack-o'-lantern, and same with the little cat, which I kind of have leaping over that jack-o'-lantern. I am using a background here that is a spiderweb Better Press plate, so I will link to that as well because I will be using that spiderweb a lot in these videos. I want to thank you so much for stopping by and spending time with me today. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you again soon.